Hello, I'm Joan of Art. I'm here in the mountains and I may run out of fuel. I still have, but just in case. That's why I am here at the local gas station and I want to show you what it looks like. So this is how a local gas station looks like. They're selling premium gasoline at 56 pesos per liter, and the liter bottle are, just to know that it's really a liter. So they're using liter bottles, and that's how they put gasoline into the gas tank. So that's how it is, and we call it here gasoline as well, or gasolina. So I think we're done. We're done now, and okay, that's the third liter bottle. Just to have a few liters in the gas tank. Alright? Others call it petrol, but here we call it gasoline or gasolina. I'm Joan of Art, and we are having our road trip here in Silay. Until our next tour and video, like, share, and subscribe. See you again. Bye for now.